Welcome to the sales training for the Password Vault from Business Cybersecurity Solutions. So the Password Vault is all about securing your passwords. But the reason for that is that you want every password that you have to be unique and complex. And people can't remember that. They don't like to have complicated passwords and they don't like to have unique passwords. And so we have to solve that problem because without unique passwords, what happens is if some other site gets breached, like LinkedIn, Adobe, Facebook, there's been numerous examples of this. Those passwords are now in the hands of the bad guys. The bad guys are going to take those passwords and they're going to try to use them again and again on other places like bank accounts, like computer networks, etc. There were 15 billion passwords and climbing in the last 12 months that have been leaked into the dark web. This is easily verifiable information. That is an immense number of passwords. It pretty much means that if you have a password that you have reused, that password's at risk. Well, how do I know what to do with that? This is where our password vault is amazing. So once somebody gets the password vault, they import all of their passwords. If they have another competing product like LastPass, OnePass, etc., we can import all that data. They don't have to redo anything. We can suck in all the data from their web browser, and now all of their passwords are in one place. Also, built into this is automatic dark web scanning. So immediately you'll be able to tell which of your passwords are already out there that the bad guys already know. And there's lots of security features that we can get into as first. How is this safe and so on? But fundamentally, it allows you to bring all your passwords to one place, know which passwords have been breached, know which passwords are reused, so you can actually go and start to clean things up, know which ones are strong or weak. Again, so you can go clean things up. Then you can get into the cool features such as password sharing. You can share an entire group of passwords with someone else. For example, I have a group of passwords that I share with my wife. We have shared logins for certain things that we have for the household. This is the same for work. There's going to be devices on your network. There's going to be certain websites, government websites, so on, that don't have unique logins. They have one login for the company, and by putting it into the vault, voila, whoever needs access to it has access to it right away. Also, when that person gets terminated, boom, click of a button, and suddenly that person does not have access to any of those passwords any longer. There's some other cool stuff. They can put their credit cards in, secure documents, stuff like that. But just suffice it to say that this is a very capable, very easy to use system. It has a lot of features to try to help people out. And it is really a crucial product nowadays for every single user. You can start with the IT department, start with the executive team. Those are obviously the ones with the highest value passwords, but it is applicable across the board. So key questions, pretty simple. Do you have a password vault system in place? If so, what are you using? That's all we need to know for now. And after we get into it deeper with the customer, we'll discover more.